I was there for that. I was there for that.
It's still my picture. Oh, those are your pictures?
No, those are the ones that you tagging me in.
Well, just because you're showing me a picture doesn't mean that you were there. If I posted the picture. What are we doing?
Smoke break?
Smoke break.
And,
Smoke break.
so, you haven't got an update in a long time, though.
We got this cool car. I'm just kidding, it's not ours.
So, we got rid of the RX-7 for a beautiful Z. But for some odd reason, this dude right here has to weld the diff because he's the only one in the whole world that has, what is it, open diff? Look at that. Look. Almost there. 5 hours later. 3 days later.
3 days? It's been like 2 hours, bro. Like, we've had like 2 hours of work time. I don't want them thinking it takes 3 days to weld a diff. Yeah, 1 day for each wheel?
Hold on. We got rid of this.
I couldn't see it when you're busting that phone.
Hold on, my phone's busted. Can you see it now? We started off with that. No, actually, no, we started off with that.
That's still there. It's not going anywhere.
Nope. And then,
that ugly thing should go somewhere. I'm just playing.
No.
I'm getting ready to get started on that.
Hopefully. And that's it, you know? Well, and then we got the newest member in the family.
This is the gangster story on.
You picked this up like 2 days ago. You know, they do a little tiny turtle, right? You know, through the seal can. But it ain't a Honda though, alright? This ain't a Honda. I don't even know what the hell it is. If you want to follow, I haven't really been posting anything on Instagram, but if you want to follow me at Skate All Day, NICCA. And then we got this guy on his Instagram, but I don't know his Instagram.
I don't know my Instagram either.
So his Instagram is going to be, I don't even know.
Skids are us.
Skids are us. Follow him. It's not Hondas. It's old. That's old. That's old.
Everything.
We do the whole 9 yards. Follow this guy. Awesome dude to follow. Oh yeah, don't forget. If you're hungry, think about this food from like years ago.
It's probably moldy now.